Hello, welcome to Crypto Pakistan. Today I am going to talk about Polygon Matic coin. This is a Polygon Matic coin. This is price of Polygon Matic coin 0.58 cents. Polygon Matic coin is launched on Ethereum blockchain and more blockchains. Here you can watch Polygon Matic coin launched on BNB Smart Chain. This is market cap, which is 3.27% down. This is fully diluted market cap, which is also 3.27% down. This is 24-hour volume, trading volume, which is too much down. Percentage is 42%. Now we discuss the chart of one day. This is the one day chart. 0.62 is high of Polygon Matic coin, and the one day low price is 0.58 cents. Now we will discuss about 7-day chart. This is the 7-day chart you are watching. This is the 7-day chart is totally in green lines. So viewer, Polygon Matic coin is a good coin, but if you want to invest in Polygon Matic coin, so invest. I will suggest you the positions. The position is on 0.14 cent, and you can also buy on 0.45 cent. This is the good position for buying, but don't buy on 0.60 cent or 0.55 cents. Now we will go to the holders. So people are holding the coin. You are watching the line of holders, which are increasing day by day. So this is a good coin for investment purpose, but this will give you a 2x or 3x profit with long term investment. You cannot earn money easily with intraday trading. So please don't trade intraday trading. So I will suggest you buy a Polygon Matic coin on 0.14 cent. This is the good position. Now I will show you the news. This is news. So viewer, watch here. Polygon price analysis can trade breakout lead Matic to 0.75 cent. This is a news. Polygon Matic has been one of the top performing cryptocurrencies this week, registering 18% growth in the last 6 days. The shape recovery breached the immediate resistance of 0.47 cents, and just today 0.57. Coin buyers sustain the bullish breakout key point. This is the latest news about Polygon Matic coin. So viewer, if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Hello, welcome to Crypto Pakistan. Today I am going to talk about